What's going on, guys? On today's video we're gonna take the S2k to the dyno. We're gonna tune the car and see how much we can get out of it. As far all our guys bolts on is NA. I'm not expecting crazy numbers, but you know, I hope we can get some out of it. On today we're gonna be using the kpro, the Hondata kpro B4 with this adapter from Ballet. We got this plug and play adapter here. It only works, as far as I know, it only works with 02 to 04 kpro K series. So I don't think it works with anything else, as far as I know. If I'm wrong, then you know I'm wrong, but as far as I know, it only works with the K series 04, 02 to 04. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get it going.
Puerto Rico.
What's going on, guys? We are here with Angel, the tuner.
Angelito.
We're gonna let him introduce himself and let us know what he knows and how long he's been doing this.
So my name's Angel Rodriguez, but I'm known by Angelito Racing. I'm from Puerto Rico. I started tuning in Florida. I have a lot of good friends that passed down a lot of knowledge to me. I went to school. I went to EFI tuning school, and then thanks to David over here, you know, he letting me work on his car. A nice, clean S2000. It's on Hondata kpro. We had to get a jumper for it. It's working. It works.
You made 229.
229 at the wheel. Is a completely stock car, stock engine, just bolt-ons. In my opinion, they did pretty good. We're gonna go for more.
Yep, for sure.
So, Angelito Tuning y se apagó yo.
No.
Angelito Tuning, Angelito Racing. Hit me up, whatever if you want to tune, just hit me up.
What's your Instagram?
Instagram's Angelito Tune.
There, you guys got it. Appreciate it for the video. For watching the video. And yeah, we're gonna post some videos doing some pulls and probably racing whoever we find on the way home. We got 2 hours, you know, 2 hours on the way home, so we gotta find somebody on the way home for sure. Well,
yeah.
Thank you guys.
Little Georgia, whatever, North Georgia, Atlanta. Let's go.
Everywhere.